Take the last thing off.
Okay, am I in frame? What's up, you guys? It's Raven. Yep, it's the YouTube channel. What's up? So I have my mama sitting here. Don't she look all pretty? Yes, 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 mama. Smile for the camera.
Smile for the camera.
So, hey. Today, we're just coming to show you how we achieved this beautiful look. If you take a look at my mom's right now, yeah. She is beat to sleep. I'm so like, this is not, she's sitting down lower in the chair, so that's why she looks small.
I look itty bitty. I look itty bitty, and I'm not itty bitty.
She looks small.
I'm not short.
We didn't have the same size chair, y'all. Hold on. Blooper, we're gonna cut that out. We didn't have the same size chair, so that's why she looks short. But I beat her face. Mama, look at me. Yes, she look good. She look good. Okay,
I have beautiful lashes on and everything.
Yes, hold your head up right. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Like that. So I beat her face. She has finger waves. Definitely. I'm loving them. This is my very first time, you guys.
First time
ever doing finger waves.
And she did a perfect job.
Like, for my first time, I want to pat myself on the back a lot. But, yeah. Okay. Yeah. But this is my very first time doing finger waves. And I just want y'all to see kind of like, I don't know if it's going to be really detailed on how I actually did them, because it's my first time, so I can't really tell you how I achieved it. But I want y'all to see the process and the magic of how I transformed my beautiful mama, okay? She was already, look at the camera, mama. She was already beautiful and always gonna be beautiful, but I just enhanced her beauty with just a little makeup, a nice little do. Her hair is freshly permed with the finger waves. I don't really know what else to say, because they trying to rush me out to go to the Mexican restaurant.
Yes, we're trying to go eat.
I'm trying to give my mama a number. Stop playing with her. Stop playing with her, okay? So just look, watch the video. Watch the video, man.
Watch the video.
We really have.
Mama,
give me a hug.
Oh,
I love this lady, y'all.
This is my little bug right here.
We had a good time making this, okay? Just another disclaimer, because I'm still new to YouTube or whatever like that. Me and my mom were, I just want to say something. I just want to say these. I just want to get these words. We weren't looking directly at the camera. We were looking at the screen. So it's a difference from looking here and looking here. Looking here and looking here. I'm still learning the basics, but work with us, okay? It's me and mommy again. Let this process begin. I did perm my mom's hair off camera, and I also dyed her hair with a semi-permanent jet black rinse.
No, but this was not no blonde moment.
Ow! I'm sorry.
I'm not Chrissy Snow.
I didn't lie. Now I'm just saturating her hair in the She Is Bomb collection foam mousse and just trying to slick it down. You guys, this is really not a full-on tutorial on how I did finger waves, because this is my first time, so I barely knew what I was doing. But kind of just watch and follow me as I transform her, okay? Just saturating her hair really good. And now I'm creating the part which will serve as the base of the finger waves. And I'm using that little one finger to start my very first swoop. The camera likes focusing on my head and not her head. I don't know why. Ooh, yes. Okay. So, yeah, I'm just kind of, you know, creating her little swoops and swoops. And that's pretty much what the finger wave video will be about. The method that I'm using... He dripped down the side of me. I'm slow, sorry. The method that I'm using is kind of just like a hold your finger and slide it to the side. Hold the finger and slide it to the side. Kind of sounds real basic. This hairstyle was not hard to achieve, but I will say it was definitely tedious. Kind of getting into that very front portion right now, and I did have to go back and kind of add more foaming mousse, just because this foaming mousse really holds, so it was kind of getting stiff a little bit. Holding that finger and just doing those front swoops, because the front is, to me, like the most important part, so I'm concentrating in everything. Okay, we see you. And like I said, it's kind of like a hold and swoop to the side. Hold and swoop to the side. I don't believe it didn't take me that long to do these either. Maybe 30 minutes, if that. It really went by fast. It didn't take long at all. I was pleasantly surprised about that. Alrighty, and the video is gonna be complete on the finger wave soon. But like I said, it's kind of like the same thing going. I'm holding that finger. Ooh, you kind of see the magic forming now, and I'm about to eventually kind of start at the back as well. Yeah, buddy. And right here at the back, I would say the back was the easiest part.
Camera me.
Get out the camera. Easiest part, but we're just finishing that up really quickly. Oh, yeah, it came along perfectly. You finna see the final results, and I think I did a great job just by being my first time doing finger waves. I will say, yeah, not bad at all. And I'll give them more I'm sorry, you guys, it's not detailed at all. Ooh, she fine. She fine as wine. Yeah, she fine. I ain't even got to the makeup yet, but it's coming. It's definitely coming. Okay?
Yeah.
Let me see it again.
Okay, I'm going into eyebrows. This is not a full-on makeup tutorial, so kind of just watch the transformation. My mom does not have any eyebrows. I love that lady dearly, but she wasn't not born with eyebrows, and she's still beautiful, but I'm going to give her some. Ooh, I can't wait for y'all to see that.
Damn. Shoot. Man, it's like my bags are gone. Baby said she ain't even put nothing on there.
Yes, so those are the eyebrows that I created for her. And I'm going in with the NYX foundation in the shade Walnut. And it matches perfectly to my mom's beautiful milk chocolate skin. I haven't found the right concealer for her. I wasn't satisfied with this concealer, but it's a work in progress, okay? Very, very light beat. I'm not putting much concealer under her eyes at all, as you can see. I'm not trying to overpower her. They were rushing me, by the way, anyway. And she does not like a lot of makeup. She's really like put on just a little foundation and pat it in and go. She's so beautiful. Okay, yes. So I'm baking her. She's like, Dad, we got to bake too? She happy. And I'm happy for her. The look is coming along, giving her the final touches with the contour. But you guys, I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. It was very fun with me achieving these finger waves. And my mama is sexy and beautiful. Comment if you think she fine. Okay, sexy mama. So y'all, mama just got finger waves. Y'all saw what y'all think about my first time doing finger waves.
Like this video and subscribe if you like it.
What he said.
Don't forget to hit that. Don't forget to turn the notice on. Comment
why if you like it. Comment in if you don't.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please stay tuned for more. Okay, restart it.